What is that bird?
Kookaburra.
Really? What do you have to say?
Thank you, Elizabeth.
For what?
For my books. Thank you for my books, Elizabeth.
Can you show her all the books? Who is that one?
Oh, I just dropped one.
Okay, I'll get it. Okay. You gotta show us what the books are.
Cock-a-doo-doo.
Cole. Who is that on the cover?
No, it's cock-a-doo-doo-doo. Grab on all that.
Okay. What about the other books?
Review. Cock-a-boo-baby. Please let me read this one.
Is that a calendar?
Huh?
Is that a calendar? What does it have pictures of?
A mountain. A horsey goat. A horsey camel goat.
Can you show me the other books, please?
Jenny, we didn't know how learning read this.
Which one is she learning to read?
This one.
Who's on the cover?
Kiki. And Kiki.
Cole.
Go!
Can you show us the rest of the books? Or are you all finished?
I'm finished.
Can you say thank you one more time?
Thank you, Elizabeth. Grandma.
No, it wasn't Grandma.
What's it, Grandma?
Do you know where Elizabeth lives?
Uh-huh.
Where?
At Grandma's house.
No, can you say Australia?
Australia.
Good job.
Australia.